Hello guys, another short movie regarding my CO2 Gans cells. As you can see, it's 8 cell configuration, nothing special, nothing around. This is just a table, nothing special here. What I wanted to figure out and show is the magnetic fields of the Gans cells, and using the magnetometer, this is the first cell, this is the second cell, and this is the third cell. I'm trying to catch up. This is the next cell, which points a little bit towards the third cell. This is another cell which points to the 8th cell, to the 6th cell actually. And this one points to the first cell. Just to show you, this is the connection, is completely open, and I have here. .32 volts on the end of the cells. Let me try to make it lighter. Is it better like that? Yeah. 1.32 volts, and if I flip the measurement to 200 milliamps, you will see I have 3.1 and going down milliamps on the cells itself, which is kind of good direction. What I wanted to do and what I was interested in, and I got as a result with this thing, is I think was this cell. I'm gonna use a plastic just not to drop my cell phone inside. Here is the direction of the magnetic field, you can see it, and if I short the end of the cells, in the previous measurements, the direction of the magnetic field changed drastically. Let me see if it's going to do anything with this cell. One of the cells almost flip upside down, with shorting the cells itself, which was very strange. Let me see. Wasn't this one. You can see they're completely different, magnetically orientated each to other. Here this one moves little bit with shorting it. Now it's not short. this one. I cannot do that one. Anyway, so the other thing I wanted to do is to measure the voltage of the cells. Oops. Which drop down to 1.5 volts through something which was from the past, which was called the Gaussian coil. Take a picture of this. It was used to the Gauss, the CRT monitors itself, and I'm gonna use it over the cells and see if that's gonna change the voltage. Yeah, it goes a little bit up. With the time, it takes some time, and just to show, I think this was the cell with biggest change. You can see with the coil, the magnetic field is flying all over the place, but looks like remains unchanged. Still the consumption is through the voltmeter. If I short it, you can see little bit of a change here. So that's it for now. The next experiment is gonna be with the CRT monitor, which is gonna show us the magnetic field of the cells. The other thing I can do, and was pretty interesting, oops, I drowned my cell phone, was you can see the magnetic field from the sides, which pretty much changes. Here is the second cell, which changes from cell to cell in a different direction. This is on the other side. This is on the other side. The top cells here, you can see completely change the compass and the magnetic field all together from cell to cell without changing the direction at all. And right now I'm trying to short it. Right now the cells are shorted, so you can compare the directions through the previous part of the movie. Looks like I drowned my cell phone, so anyway. Okay, thank you. This is for now. The other strange thing is there is no much production of guns. I have these cells for like 5 days. There is no guns. The only difference between this and the standard position was I create the nano coating a couple of months ago. They stay without any use. It's a zinc coated, this with the turn is a zinc coated nano material. The other one is just zinc coated mesh, chicken mesh. See you soon. So this is last part to confirm or reject my idea. For the magnetic fields I'm going to use old CRT monitor, which is supposed to show us the interference of the magnetic field on the screen as different colors. I turn on the monitor separate to avoid the degaussing to go to the cells, and as you can see on the screen there is no color change or anything like that. That means there is no really any serious magnetic field into the cells. Just to confirm that everything's supposed to work that way, I'm gonna use a magnet to show you how that's supposed to change the colors on the screen if there is magnetic field. As you can see, even the green one left after the magnet and the magnetic field itself. That's it for now. So no real any serious magnetic fields around. I hope that helps someone. Thanks and bye.